Welcome to War India News Hour. CIOs are enablers of a digital-first economy. Today, IT leaders sit at the nexus of their company's transformation and innovation efforts, providing a unique horizontal view and influence across the organization. 96% of Indian CIOs have more influence on leadership decisions. According to the survey, up to 50% of Indian CIOs singled out hybrid and public cloud as the most likely area for increased investment in 2021. Over the past year, CIOs have been able to further improve digital customer experiences, but these experiences have also become more complex. Moving forward, CIOs need to think about the integrated technology tools and infrastructure frameworks necessary to help their organizations effectively and securely capture customer data, convert that data into valuable insights, and utilize those insights to shape a personalized and enhanced customer experience. CIOs first need to embrace the need for change. CIOs now need to deliver IT in ways that suit their users, empowering them for new ways of working, engagement, and collaboration. CIOs need to align all new technologies with their organization's overall business strategies, budgets, and needs for security. With more teams directly involved in shaping the customer experience, CIOs regularly partner with their peers to take their digital experiences from concept to reality. Indeed, IT leaders regularly collaborate with 2 or more C-level colleagues on customer experience management initiatives. In India, CIOs most regularly partner with their organization's CTO, followed by the CMO. Nearly 60% of CIOs now meet with their CMO counterparts on a daily or weekly basis, forming a true power duo. Let's look into today's headlines in War India. KKR, CD&R to acquire Cloudera. Private equity firm KKR & Co. and Clayton, Dubilier & Rice LLC are nearing a deal to buy Cloudera Inc. and take the software company private, the Wall Street Journal reported, citing people familiar with the matter. However, the terms of the deal couldn't be learned, adding that the company has a market value of nearly $4 billion. Intel launches 11th generation Tiger Lake processor for laptops. Intel has announced its new chips under its 11th generation Tiger Lake lineup at Computex 2021. A new pair of U-series lower voltage chips is aimed at ultrabooks. Intel has also announced 2 chips, that is Intel Core i7-1195G7, which is the top of the line in the U series, and the Intel Core i5-1155G7, which is the most powerful for the Core i5 range of chips, which marks the first 5.0 GHz clock speed for the company's U series lineup of lower voltage chips. Microsoft launches Asia Pacific Cybersecurity Council. With the aim of building a strong communications channel for addressing cyber threats and sharing best practices across the participating countries, Microsoft has launched the first Asia-Pacific Public Sector Cybersecurity Executive Council. It is consisting of policymakers and influencers from Brunei, Indonesia, Korea, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, and Thailand. Supported by cybersecurity professionals, the Council aims to accelerate public-private partnerships in cybersecurity, share threat intelligence. Anant Narayanan's Mensa Brands raises $50 million. Anant Narayanan's Mensa Brands has raised $50 million. Axel, Falcon Edge Capital, Norwest Venture Partners, as well as angel investors such as Kunal Shah, Mukesh Bansal, and Rahul Mehta of DST Global participated in the funding. Founded in 2021, Mensa Brands aims to partner and invest in digital-first brands and scale them exponentially. Plum raises $15.6 million led by Tiger Global. With an aim to reach a milestone of 10 million lives insured by 2025 by changing the employee health insurance space, the Bengaluru-based group health insurance startup Plum has raised $15.6 million in its Series A round of funding, its co-founder and CEO Abhishek Podar said. The round was led by Tiger Global and various existing investors participated in it. Marquee angel investors including Cred founder Kunal Shah, Unacademy founders Gaurav Munjal, Roman Saini and Himesh Singh also invested in Plum. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Hour. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.